Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to make an avatar in Instagram. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. First we need to go to Instagram. After that go to our profile and click on this button. After that click Settings and Privacy. Account Center, Profiles, and click on our account. And here click Avatar. And here you can choose hairstyle, eyebrows, facial hair, skin tone and body. Whatever you want. After that click Save and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye.